I'm Larry Bryan. I studied the Production and Media Bootcamp with Cardiff and Vale College. My ambition is to work within broadcast TV or radio. However, what I found difficult was bridging the gap between my academic qualifications and the experience within the industry that I needed. I researched for a long time for a course that would give me skills, knowledge and expertise so that I could go forward and apply for jobs within the media industry. I came across the Media and Production Bootcamp and it was perfect for me, as it was the perfect combination between gaining new skills and working alongside industry experts, and it was fully funded. So the course was really hands-on. We used industry standard equipment to produce professional results. We had industry leaders such as Jason Mohammed setting us challenges. We had to go off and produce a piece of media to meet a brief. We interviewed Funmi Odawai, who's just been in the Paralympics, so that was a big moment for me as well. That was really cool. We were given lots of feedback and encouragement and pointers on how to improve, and I found it really useful. The course changed everything for me. It gave me so much confidence. Without the course, I would have never considered applying for a master's in broadcast journalism, and without the CAVC bootcamp, that would never have happened.